Hi there.
Hiya,
Welcome to our channel. My name is Yash
I'm Stefan.
and we are Boyfriends Who Cook. So today we will be making a breakfast chia pudding. To get started, what I have with me is 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. So when I say a tablespoon measure, it's a typical tablespoon spoon that all of us have in our kitchens. So 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. I've got 250 mils of almond milk, or you can potentially use any nut milk that you can find, or just regular milk is okay as well, right? Depends on how healthy you want to make it. Then we've got some maple syrup, and we've got some ground cinnamon as well. So let's get started. So I'm going to start by adding the chia seeds into the bowl. Right. And then add the milk to it. Quick reminder that we are starting and shooting this recipe at night because that's essentially what you'll want to do. So chia seeds typically take 2 to 3 hours to soak perfectly, and so if you want to have this as a breakfast dish, our recommendation will be to start making it the night before, store it inside the fridge, and then you have your pudding ready for the next morning. Cool. On that note, let's move forward. We'll add around half a teaspoon of cinnamon, ground cinnamon. Actually, it depends on how much you love cinnamon. And so I've got just a little over half a teaspoon here. So I'm going to add that in, and then a tablespoon of maple syrup as well. That's it. And that's about it. And so what I'm going to do now is ensure that my mixture is well combined. And so this part is where you need to just pay a little bit of attention to ensure that all the seeds are actually covered in milk so that they start soaking uniformly. That's about it. And then, as you can see, the chia seeds are completely soaked. So I'm going to let this sit for around 10 minutes. Just come back and have a quick check to ensure that there are no lumps in my mixture. And once that's done, quickly add a cling film onto this and keep it in the fridge. So 10 minutes later, the only thing that's left to do is to make sure there are no lumps. So what I'm going to do here, as you can see, is just give it a good stir. Give this mixture a good stir. Ensure there are no lumps whatsoever. So to ensure that all the seeds do get soaked the way we want them to, and you have a very good soft, smooth chia pudding the next morning. So with this done, only step left to do now is to cover it in some cling film and let it rest in the fridge. So we'll take a look at the rest of the recipe tomorrow morning. The only process left this morning is to fill this bowl. And so to get started, what I'm going to do is get the chia seeds out from the fridge, and what this looks like, continuing from yesterday, is this. It's like a thick consistency, but something that's extremely delicious. So let's get going. So we'll start off by filling up the bowl. So I'm going to take a couple of tablespoons of pudding. Actually, maybe more than a couple. For a serving, I think we could easily go up to 4 to 5 tablespoons. Yep. So we've got some chia seeds in the bowl. Keep this aside. Next, what I might do is add a few. What I will do rather is add a few toppings. So in this case, with me, I've got pepitas, so some seeds, some sliced banana, some chopped kiwi fruit, and a berry compote. So a berry compote, this is homemade, very easy to make. Just a bunch of frozen berries on in a saucepan on the gas for maybe 10 minutes or so, and that's about it. And if you would like to, you could also add a half a teaspoon of sugar just to get the mixture going, and half a cup of water. Cool. So to arrange this, what I'll do is start off with the bananas. This is just going to look so colorful at the end of it. Follow it up with what do I want? Let's just go with kiwi. Again, your toppings could be any fruit that you have at home, right? This is pretty much what we have at home today, and so that's what we're going with. On another day, it could be berries, it could be mango, it could be any other fruit you can think of, really. Cool. So that's 2 layers done, and then for the third layer, we've got the berry compote. Last but not the least, the pepitas. Actually, my favorite layer, this one. Good. And so with that, we have our breakfast bowl ready. So there you go, guys. That's our simple, delicious, healthy recipe of our breakfast bowl. Please like, subscribe and comment on this video to let us know how you like the recipe, and if you'd like to see more of these in the future. If you'd like to share pictures of this recipe with us, feel free to tag us on them on social. Our Instagram handle is @boyfriends_who cook. And let us know how you like it, and see you next week. Cheers!